Good morning, students. I hope everyone is good and safe at home and doing your work, attending online classes, and enjoying the holidays also. Not exactly holiday, it's a lockdown time. Okay. So soon all the classes are going to start. So we hope and we believe that with the same beliefs, with the same host. So today we are going to continue the lesson. So that is, you can no longer reach me, said the sky. So we were seeing here, it's a beautiful lesson. Here the sky is saying to the common people that you cannot reach me anymore because you are not in a position, you are not in a situation to reach me because you all lost everything. Okay? I gave you food freely, air, sunshine, nature, trees, animals, human beings, all those things. But water, river, okay, flowers, fruits, everything I have given. But what you are given me, what you have given me in return? Nothing. Here the sky is saying, so I have given plenty of things. Here I have given plenty of things, plenty in the sense I have given you more and more things, but you have not given me anything in return. It's very sad to me saying that I have given you lots of things and you have not given me anything. Again, people always remember to the nature means as a god whenever they are in a trouble. So they feel that if everything goes well, if everything going good, and if they are getting everything free of cost from the nature, they are very happy. If any things happen against to nature, so they feel that yes, we are sorry and we just committed mistakes all those things. And yes, here the sky is saying the things. Yes, again I have given everything, but you are not giving me anything back. And here, and what happened in the rainy season, if rain doesn't come, people will say, yes, please God save us, please. When there is a sunshine mode in the summer season, then also they will remember the God. When there is no food grains, when there is no things, then also they will remember the God only. And then there is no shelter, and they will remember to the God, means to the sky. Like this, so it's very shame to me. The sky is saying it is very shame to me because I have given you everything, but still there was no response from your end. So I'm very happy, very upset for this part. After that, you will realize, and the sky is saying to the people forgive us. We promise to be careful. We shall take only how much we need. Please, please, they cried. After that, they lost everything. People are saying, we lost everything, my dear sky, my dear Lord. Again, next onwards, we are not going to commit any mistakes further. So please, please, please save us and try to give further. Because next onwards, we will take as much as we know that much we are going to take. Okay, so happy days continued as people stuck in the world. Okay, again the sky believed that again they will not repeat the things, and just he blessed again with all those things. Okay, the great festival came. It was a time for a fun and for it. People celebrated the evening with orange cream sunset, purplish plum pudding and dark chocolate feeds. They took care to dish out only what each would be able to eat. They shared the delicious dishes. Not to globe of ice cream or fluid was wasted, but advice was different. Okay, now the sky has given everything. There is a orange sky with the colored sunset, and the people were very happy and starting celebrating things, and they used to gather the things, they used to distribute the juices, ice creams and some eatable things, and they remembered and the word of sky, yes, not to waste the food as much as possible. Okay, and whatever you eat, that much will you take, and whatever you take, that much only you will, means not to waste the food. She had an insatiable desire for everything. She had a lightest of the cotton rugs, but she wanted to own bright skin, Sinkin's own lovely brass and bracelet jewels on her wrist, and she wanted to have the gold ones remembered with her gems and red color. She was never satisfied. Okay, there is one more lady who was asking, demanding more and more. But she was not happy with her life. Okay? While there was a dancing and singing going on, she decided to taste the dishes that were laid out templated. She ate some of each but threw away more. Again, soon she had littered the ground with the blobs and orange cream sunset. The glass around her feet was dotted with the flakes and granted coconut. Cold like the moonlight, the wasted pineapple juice lay in the tiny puddle. So by listening to all these things, but there was a girl, she used to ask, she used to demand always the gold jewelries, all those things. And in that festival, so many people were dancing, eating so many things. But she has decided to go to taste the dish, and she was just tasting and throwing something. She was just taking and throwing something. And she took some more things, some different things, and there also she was throwing and wasting things. And finally she just tasted the pineapples, there also she wasted and she threw up. Okay. Still she was not satisfied, there is no much to taste and the sky has no much to offer. Again, she thought that herself, and she pulled down a piece of blueberry cake, and the cake was delicious with an icing of moonlight on it. She ran her tongue over it and tasted it delicious. So she was not at all happy with the things. Again, the sky has given everything. She went to again some next place. There was a blackberry cake. Blackberry flavor cake was there. So she has eaten that one and said that is very delicious. And what it is? That one looks like a mussel pie. She said as she grabbed the piece. She gradually ate some fruits, some from it, and some of that till she couldn't eat more. In the while she felt full and heavy. Sorry, cannot finish so. She addressed the piece and cake in her hand. So she was very ridiculous thing to say that she took again one more plate of a cake, and she ate only half the things, and after that she said, okay, sorry my dear cake, I cannot finish you. So again I want next thing to taste. Okay. She was about drop this into the nearest ditch which she had a lot. It was the sky afraid added huge and remaining food and the ran home. Okay. So again she threw all those things and she went to that side. Please help me dear husband eat this bit of sky, she said. Her husband refused. Sorry dear, I am suffering to bursting, he said. Again she just offered the pieces, the eaten pieces to her husband, and her husband says, no, I cannot eat now more. She called out of his children, dears, won't you help me out with this one? She cried. Then remembered the sky, teared and throw all the nice things they might miss out on the should the sky clear. Again she just called to their daughters also, their children also, and she offered the same thing. Yes, my dear daughters, okay, just now help me Lord, now eat this one for me. Again they also said, no mama, we cannot eat the things. Okay. They came obediently and tried to eat what she offered, but they were too full already. We cannot eat another bit, mother, they crunched. Okay, next adults asked her neighbors for her help, and they were kid enough to do so. More than that, they were afraid to consequence. Little boy, the food of her hands lessened escape of a small piece. It is a tiny weeping bit. It won't matter, said the Addis, as she tossed into the blush and went to bed. Again, she just so not to waste the things, again she went to her neighbors by taking that cake, and she just offered once again to the neighbors, and they said, no, we cannot eat this much also, because we ate and came to that one. Again she went to night, before going to bed, she threw the things and went. Morning came and people grew hungry again, but when was sky, it was much higher than the before and way beyond reach. The storm stream blew and the black clouded remembered overhead. People started hungry from the ground. Addis ran out and I am sorry sky, I am really sorry, she wept. But the sky began to recede. It was now above the tall tower of the city. Now again, next morning the sky went upside, okay, and people started hungry, getting hungry. Yes, now our stomach is asking, we want food. Again that lady, okay, that lady, Hades. Okay, so she came and just saw the things, the sky was too high and she was getting hungry, and again she requested, oh sky, please, sorry, please let me uh, let me conclude here, and I'm very sorry. And she wept, she just started crying. The sky became so wicked, it was 2 about the tower. Then by seeing that one, she saw that the sky is not near. Before it was touching her hand, so they used to take all the things, but now there is no sky at all. Everyone will be angry, please, and please, that lady says, please sky, please come down and give some food to all, because we are too hungry. But the sky rose further till it was above and tallest mountain. Then the sky went beyond the mountain. Please come back, otherwise we will also strive. Hades placed. But the sky continued till nothing but the air remains between it and the people breathe. Okay. Hades wept like a child and she was truly sorry. I will feed you, said the deep rimble voice. It was the earth. Will you? Hades could not believe her ears. Yes, I will, but you must work for it. You must sow the harvest. You must wait till the crop ready, and when it ready, you must take only what you need. If you do this, I will feed you forever. I promise, said, I will never break my promise. She has kept her promise to the sky. And finally, by saying this situation, the sky was going and sky went up and it just mixed with the air, and there was one more person entered to that one, that is Earth. So Earth was started speaking with the lady, and that Earth was saying, yes, whatever you want, I am going to give. Whatever you want, I am going to give. But thing is that I am giving not directly, through indirectly. Means I am giving you the seeds, you have to grow up. I am giving you the water, you have to pure the water properly. I am going to give all the security things, just you have to protect things. Okay, so once you do the things, just the growth, the field will come. From that you have to take, and food will be forever for you all. And the lady says, yes. So I am very happy. I promise you, I will never break my promise again. She has kept her promise to this day. So by this only, so we got the food. As the story says, as tale means, a Nigerian tale says that why the sky is up and why the field is downside, and why we are getting all those things from the bottom of the field and not from the sky. Okay, wait. Okay, so once again, so this is a Nigerian folk tale, a beautiful story retold. So this is a beautiful relationship between sky and human beings. As the story says that earlier the sky was giving everything to the, I just repeat the thing, okay, see once again. Earlier, now the lesson is, you can no longer reach me, said the sentence says only that here the sky is speaking to the people, saying, so I am giving you everything whenever you need it, whenever you want, I am coming and giving everything. But you are using everything, I am giving you food, shelter, okay, fruits, eatable things, sunshine, water, and giving everything. But you are taking all those things and you are forgetting me. You are taking all those things from me, but you are forgetting me, and it is very painful to say that you are not giving anything in return. By listening these words, people say this, no, we are very sorry, and whatever we did till today, don't do that one, because next day onwards we need again food, please come and give us. And at the same time, the sky said, yes, now that sky as a mother, excuse and forgive all those things. And it says, today night I am going to give everything to you all. Whatever you want, take it. And the sky came to near to them, and it was easy to catch the sky. And with this, the sky brought so many surprises, brought so many eatable things, and people started celebrating. Yes, now sky is very near, it is bringing everything. Now the thing is that the God is nothing but sky. Sky is giving every food to those people, Nigerian people. Okay, there all the people were enjoying. There was a girl, there was a lady, Edis. She was too fashionable. She was too always hungry about the food. Okay, about the jewelries, about all things. So she was heard so much of things and started complaining about the food. Okay, so there was so much things to eat. Again, she just went to one table and just tasted, took half and just threw out. Okay, again she took one more pieces of these things, next things, and again she kept there. Again she took some cakes, she left there. Next she took some other ice creams, again she kept there. So what happened? Just she keep on doing the things. So just she keep on giving the things, and just she remembered the things. Yes, now recently means few days back only we just asked the sky that we don't do this one repeat. So again it was too bad thing to say that if I throw means, if I throw the things means again people will scold me and people will be behind me or by saying the words. Again she saw, yes, now she realized that not wasting the time, not wasting the food. Again she called to her husband and says, yes, why don't you take these things? And her husband says, I am full of this. Yes, I have eaten so much of things, I cannot take any one sip also. And just she went come that side, and she went to their children's side, and she offered to the children's side. Now I just eaten the half loads of cakes. Now would you like to eat the things? Then again children says, no mama, no, we are very sorry, we had so much of this thing. Now we are not responsible, we are not things. Now whatever you have taken, you have to eat. Again she felt very upset and again went to the neighbors, and neighbors also they said something. Neighbor kids also, she said, betas, yes, if you want you can take all the things. But again the neighbors also, some children also said, no auntie. So we had so much of things because sky has also given to us a lot of things. Now you only have this thing. By before going to bed, so there was no one to see her. So just she took the cake and threw it and she slept. Okay. So she slept very peacefully, and next day what happened? So the surprise was waiting for all the people, Nigerian people, because the sky went to upside. Yesterday night it was there for downside, and next morning it was went upside, and people started crying, people started requesting, oh sky, what happened, what we have committed mistake, we have committed mistake, we have eaten that much only, what you have given, we didn't waste the food, we didn't do anything, but why you were that side, why you went upside? Again that lady Edis came out of the house, and she just also saw and got surprised. She got astonished. What happened? See, the sky went upside. Again she felt very sad and said, oh sky, please excuse me, but I am very very sorry, because of me only all people are struggling now. People are too hungry, please give something, please do something. She just started requesting the things. Again the sky said, no, I cannot come down, because you just hated me too, you just cheated me 2 times. When I gave first time also you did so much of wasted. Again now just second time also given the chance to, I just forget and excuse you and gave so much. Again you are doing the same thing, I did the same thing also. Now I am not going to come. Next everyone is angry. That lady requested. Now everyone is angry. Please forgive our things. Come now please come and give the something. Then please come back, otherwise we will save. That again by listening the lady voice, the sky replied, I am not going to come. And that sky went behind the mountain, and just mingled with the high side, air in the air. So by this crying, by these people seeing the struggle, again one more beautiful person came from the nature, that is Earth. The earth started speaking with the girl and started speaking with the people. Earth asked, what happened? See, till yesterday we were getting the things from the sky easily, but now there is no sky. People are People are dying with the hungry. So what we can do now? That earth says yes. Whatever the sky did, that is correct only, because whenever you get easily things, you cannot give respect. You don't give respect, means whenever it is too far, you will give started giving respect and you started crying. Okay. Now I am giving one more chance to you all for your hungry, for your this thing. I am giving you one more chance, but condition is what? You have to believe and you have to remember. You have to listen my words. How? Yes, I will, but you must work for it. I will give food, but you have to work for it. I will give seeds, you have to grow up. I will give protections, you have to food. I will give water, you have to fill. You have to pure. I will give sunshine, you have to protect. I will give all those things you have to protect, and harvest, and you must wait till it crop ready. So after that only you are going to get the things. So I will feed you forever. If you keep on doing the things, I'll just give you forever. I promise them, girls and all the people from there, that side, and they started praying to earth. Yes, whatever happened to us. So tomorrow onwards we are going to grow like this only. So we promise and will not break my rules, will not break our rules. And she kept her promise to this day. Again now, that's why the sky is above and the earth is here. So whatever you want, we have to grow, we have to build, we have to feed, we have to earn, we have to lose everything here only. So we have to earn here only. We have to grow here only, we have to enjoy, we have to eat. So that's why, so sky said, so just I am there only, so for your help, earth is there only. So this is a beautiful story of the sky and the earth and the people. So I hope students you understood the lesson. So it's very interesting. So soon I am going to send the question answers for you all. So I hope with the same spirit, with the same smile. So we will meet soon. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for listening.